Hello! For today's video is how to send a message on WhatsApp. So it's pretty quick and simple. So let's go. So launch your WhatsApp from your phone. Then tap the chat icon on the top right of the screen. Then choose a person where they want to chat. And just send your message. You can also make a new conversation on another contacts without a chat. So here, press the message button in the lower right, then choose a person that you want to chat. So that's how it is. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions, you put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!